Looking to improve your skills in payroll? Join this Essential UK Payroll, Foundations and Compliance for Beginners course. This course will help you to gain knowledge and skills required to start working in the payroll sector. Introduction to UK Payroll and the Pay System. Welcome to Essential UK Payroll, Foundations and Compliance for Beginners. Payroll is at the heart of every business, ensuring employees are paid accurately and on time while keeping the organization compliant with UK laws. In this lesson, you'll discover why payroll is so important, what the PAYE system is, and how statutory deductions and the annual payroll cycle work. By the end, you'll have a strong foundation to build your payroll skills and confidence. By the end of this lesson, you will have gained essential knowledge about UK payroll processes and requirements. 1. Describe UK payroll fundamentals. 2. Explain the PAYE system and its purpose. 3. Identify key statutory deductions. 4. Understand the structure of the annual payroll cycle. There are various topics in this payroll course. Each topic will look at important concepts and knowledge required to process payroll. At the end of each topic there will be a quiz section. Enroll today online at Osborne Training to start the course immediately.